Boom shakalaka, the last minutes are ticking for Bitcoin and altcoins right now. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, the last minutes are ticking away for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Before we get into it guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove, and subscribe to the OG Bitcoin Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos for over 7 years. Today, fear and greed at 50 dead, neutral, up from yesterday's fear and last week's extreme fear. The market sentiment has shifted. The overall market up 3% today, 10% for the week. Bitcoin at 60,056, Ethereum at 2419, BNB at 553, Solana 137, XRP 57 cents, Dogecoin 10 cents, Suncoin 579, and Cardano 35 cents. Now, Bitcoin, take a look at how steep this trend line is that Bitcoin has been in since it hit the, well, nothing really down there, but steep trend line. And this is good news because it looks like the 21 EMA is going to break back above the baby making moving average, because the last time it went below and did not break above, the price was not too good. However, there is some resistance right now at the 100-day moving average right here in green. Also the top of this trend, roughly 61.7. Bitcoin needs to break through that territory, get back up to the top of this trend, and then maybe break through for the final time. We've been saying since July 31st that September 24th is the day, based on historical time measures, when Bitcoin launches. If we take a look at the 2016 and 2020 bull markets, average and scale them to this time, September 24th, 10 days from now, is when Bitcoin goes, well, at least at a better slope than we're at right now, maybe towards vertical. Let's certainly hope. Right now, some early signs of life showing on the technicals for Bitcoin. First higher low put in and a close back above its 2024 VWAP, looking to reclaim the 200-day moving average, which would coincide with its first higher high in 6 months. That could be very good for Bitcoin. Also, if we take a look, Bitcoin has tracked global liquidity. So global liquidity is here in this green color, and you can see every time global liquidity peaks, Bitcoin peaks as well. Well, we see right now global M2 rising to new all-time high, and this is just the beginning of the easing cycle. Things are about to explode for Bitcoin. You don't want to be caught on these sidelines. For those people who are confused, the cycles just do the same thing over and over again. Have a bear market, little reversal, around half in correction, and then the last leg up, which is gigantic. We're approaching that last leg up for Bitcoin. And the price right now, coincidentally, is sitting at the average of what all of the ETFs cost basis is for Bitcoin. Pretty much what the ETFs pay for Bitcoin, that is going to be the price for Bitcoin from here on out. You can see BlackRock a bit higher, Fidelity and ARK shares a bit lower, but on average, exactly where Bitcoin price is sitting. So if we take a look at the cyclicity of Bitcoin, you can see that as we have these higher lows right here coinciding with these cycles right here, Bitcoin tops go up, not down. And you can see we're in the same territory where we're approaching parabolic second part of the bull run. Thank freaking goodness. As a matter of fact, here's a full view of all the cycles: 450x, 80x, 20x, 12x, 6.6x. And we're in the middle of the 12x cycle. Has already gone up 4x. That means we have another 3x, or roughly $180,000 per Bitcoin before we reach the top. Holy freaking cow, it's about time. Now, signs of some massive moves for Bitcoin. One of the leading indicators for Bitcoin, the on-balance volume. We can see a breakout is imminent. The last time we had a breakout happen, look at what happened with Bitcoin price. We have a breakout coming in once again from a descending triangle. Well, this could likely send Bitcoin to well over the $100,000 range. Also, very, very strong signal. The hash ribbons have just flashed a buy indicator. Historically, one of the most reliable indicators for Bitcoin. Every time we've seen this signal is often followed by a massive pump in Bitcoin. You can see buy signal, pump, buy, pump, buy, pump, buy, pump. Well, once again, it is a buy signal and likely a pump coming for Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, In previous cycles, when the Bitcoin price retested the 50-week moving average, which it just recently did, it bounced back at least 40%. Now, at least 40%. Some of these higher, 117%, 79%. Well, if we were to just get on average 71%, that would put Bitcoin at $92,000. How about that for a nice Bitcoin move? And if you're an altcoin enthusiast, here's some great news. As goes Doge, so goes the market. The classical oscillator, every cycle going up an order of magnitude. You can see Doge is following a very similar pattern as we saw previously, on the verge of potentially a breakout. As goes Doge, so goes the market. And you can see Doge already has a breakout of the RSI. Potentially, this indicates an increase in buying momentum. Always happens prior to an asset's breakout. Dogecoin is going to break out soon, and as goes Doge, so goes the alt market. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoy it, like the video, join us on Twitter, @TheCryptoLove, subscribe to the channel, and YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.